Hi, welcome to another episode of Lifestyles of the Cool
and Cozy, brought to you by the great folks at Amana Brand Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm Olivia Perez.
And I'm Tim Baldwin.
We've been hitting the road to talk to homeowners with questions about the things that heat and cool their homes.
We call that HVAC systems in the biz.
And today we're going to talk to Hannah and Jason about the kind of HVAC system they have. Let's go. Babies, look at the balloons.
Yeah, look at this.
It's right up here.
Oh, Hannah,
wow.
darling nursery.
Oh, thank
So
you.
Hannah, when is the baby due?
Babies, actually, and not soon enough.
So, Dad, how you doing?
I don't know. I'm not sure I'm ready yet.
Can't be that bad. You're getting a 2-in-1.
That's what I call efficiency, right? Just like the heat pump you guys had installed. Am I right?
Yes, it is very energy efficient, and with not one but two kids on the way, we'll need to save every penny we can.
Absolutely.
Also important, we discovered it provides both heating and cooling.
Mm-hmm.
And you know how we love twofers around here.
Yeah, exactly.
Hannah, you're like nature's heat pump.
You did not just compare me to a heat pump.
Tim, I think that's our cue.
Yeah, hey, all right.
All right,
Hey,
I'll walk you out.
It's been a pleasure.
Good luck, Jason.
Yep, he's gonna need some luck.
All right.
Today we met with Hannah and Jason. While preparing for their little bundles of joy to arrive, they had a heat pump installed.
Right, which bundles together both a heating and cooling unit in one box.
Which is the perfect system to keep their new family comfortable.
And with Amana Brand's extensive family of products, there's sure to be a system perfect for keeping all of you at home comfortable too.
Let's hit the road.
Yeah, let's do it. Nature's heat pump.
Amana, America's brand for comfort. Amana.
What have you got there?
It's nothing.
Come on, go ahead.
Yeah, no.
No, for real. Let me see.
There it is. What do you think?
Twins! Proud of that, huh?
You love it?
Yeah, you're proud father.
You love it? I love it.
Only you, Tim Baldwin.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
Only you, Tim.
Oh, come on.
Only you.